Bonjour encore. This time we're going to do Reformulez from January 12th again. So I know we missed you guys some and getting you caught up from testing. So let's try this one, Reformulez. And I'm going to practice because I've done this one. Just a little hint here. Don't forget that de is going to turn to de after pas. It's like don't have it because de is some and pas de is like not any. So just a small little thing they mentioned in there, but don't get all mad saying, I can't get it to work. It's like pas de, pas de. All right, so we're just making things negative. We've done questions with esca and inversion, and the other part of this chapter is using ne, pas around a verb to say not or don't, or just making it negative. Look at the model here. Elle travaille le lundi. She works on Mondays. Elle ne travaille pas le lundi. She does not work lundi. So by putting a ne, pas around the verb to work, you get a negative sentence. She does not work Monday. And yes, if you don't feel like typing a lot, you could copy. And making this negative, we have to find the verb. The verb is, we have the students share. Les étudiants partagent. So you're going to put your ne, pas around the verb here. If you don't know what the verb is, open another tab and have a dictionary and look up what the words are. If you don't know, the students don't share. All right, numéro 2. Nous mangeons à la cantine. We eat at the cafeteria. So the verb is to eat, mangeons. So we put a ne in front of it and a pas afterwards to say we don't eat at the cafeteria. Nous ne mangeons pas à la cantine. J'aime la littérature. I like literature. J'aime la littérature. Am is the verb, but check it out. J'aime is really je, but it has an apostrophe because the next word starts with the vowel. But if we want to make it negative, the opposite of j'aime is je n'aime pas. See how that works in there? We had to stick the ne pas around the verb. So we have je n'aime pas. And then, of course, just la littérature. So I don't like. J'aime is I like. Je n'aime pas, I don't like. Numéro 4, number 4. On cherche la librairie. One is looking for the bookstore. One is looking for the bookstore. Cherche is to look for. So we're going to say one is not looking for. On ne cherche pas la librairie. You know, anything with a le or la or le in front of it is a noun, so the verb must be cherche. On ne cherche pas les librairies. Désolé. Vous commencez le cours. You begin the class. Remember, commence is to begin. So, vous commencez le cours. How would you say we don't begin the class? You got it. Put a ne in front of commencer and a pas afterwards. Vous ne commencez pas le cours. Numéro 6. Le professeur donne des devoirs. The professor gives some homework. Yeah. All right. So le professeur, in this case, the verb is donne. Looks like donate. It's to give. They donate your homework. Ne donne pas. And a little trick, the de means some, but since we're saying he doesn't give, we're going to change it into he doesn't give some to he doesn't give any. So the pas de. Just remember pas de there. Did I miss? No, I didn't miss any other ones. Okay, good. Le professeur ne donne pas de devoir. All right, doing great. You hate chemistry. Tu détestes la chimie. Where does the ne pas go? In front of the verb hate or detest. So ne pas. Tu ne détestes pas la chimie. Say you don't hate chemistry. And nous voyageons avec Thomas. Yes, to voyage or to travel. So we got ne and pas. So nous ne voyageons pas avec Thomas. Let's see if we're right. Yay, très bien. I think we got them all. All right, good job.